Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's a very special day because I have a $1,300 plant inside this box, along with some other goodies that were given to me for free by the seller. I am very excited. This is only possible because of one of our biggest supporters and our good friend. Thank you so much. There's no way I could have made this happen if it wasn't for you. So thank you so much. There's no way I could afford this. See, I've been looking at this plant for a while, and you know, it's like, can't afford it, it's kind of expensive, you know. But I know there's people that spend like way more money like on purses and stuff. This is like my only vice. So, and this plant will live as long as I will, so yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm so happy. This is the most expensive thing I own, literally. Like, even my computers, like, I use MacBook. Like, this is like my most expensive thing I own. It's more expensive than I am. But anyways, I'm so excited. I keep saying anyways. Thank you for making this possible. Here is also something that Nick gave me. It's a birthday gift. This is bibimbap sauce. This is called bibimbap sauce. This is my favorite sauce in the world. It's a sauce that comes with ramen. It's bibimbap ramen, cold. They're supposed to be eating cold, like cold noodles. This is my favorite sauce in the world, and Nick gave it to me as a surprise, so I'm very happy. I just wanted to show it in this video real quick. Thank you, Nick. Okay, let's start unboxing. So I covered up the address, my address, and the seller's address for privacy. And he sent it in an egg box, which is very nice. I like a recycling queen. So let's do this. So this plant is a carnivorous plant. Right? It's packaged with a bunch of newspaper. I love that. Here it is. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and he gave me a light bulb. Ooh, look at that. Light bulb, yes. Okay. LED light, like grow light. Alright, so here's some of the freebies that he gave me. This is sphagnum moss, so I'm gonna use this as a top dressing. Let's grow some plants. And here we have the big mama plant. Alright, so how do we get this out of here? Okay, so let's do this in a way where I won't damage it. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Right. Definitely love the pot. Might keep it. Coca-Cola pot, yes. Love it. Here is this gorgeous plant in a Coca-Cola cup. So this is Nepenthes lowii times truncata, giant clone from Exotica Plants. This is from the original Grex. This is a very rare and very beautiful plant that makes rat-eating pitchers. It's known to eat mice and rats. It's a beautiful carnivorous plant. And I'm very happy to be its daddy now. So I'm very happy. Like, you guys have no idea. I don't know how to keep this from tipping over. Let me just put this here. Yeah, it's exciting. I'm very excited. Right. So he told me he was gonna give me some other stuff with this plant, like some freebies. So I'm just gonna keep looking for them. I think maybe in here. Let's see. Somewhere. It might be in here. There's just some soil. That's there. Maybe the cuttings are in here. He sent me some cuttings for Nepenthes, something. So let's see. What are they? Oh, the cuttings are in here. Okay. Alright, they're in here. So they're in here with the sphagnum moss. In here. I didn't know they were in here. I thought this was just moss. So he actually combined the cuttings and put them in here. That was really nice of him. I had no idea. I thought he just put it in newspaper, but he actually put it in this cup, which I really appreciate because that keeps them from desiccating. So anyways, here we have this. What do we have in here? Oh, here we go. We have the live moss. And here we have a cutting. A little cutting of a Nepenthes. I'm pretty sure this is Nepenthes veitchii times lowii times campanulata, which is a very beautiful cross. And that'd be everything. Yeah, I think so. I am very happy. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I'm very happy. And thank you so much for making this possible. This is like a dream come true. I've been wanting to get this plant ever since I got into carnivorous plants. This along with the Nepenthes Edwardsiana are like my most favorite plants because they're just so beautiful. But this is like my #1 hybrid that I really wanted because it's so gorgeous. Like look at that. Look at that picture. Like take a good look at that. That is so gorgeous. That is so beautiful. Like that doesn't look real. You see that? Oh, like let's zoom into this. I don't know how to do this without making the plant tip over, but like look at that. You see that? That's so gorgeous. Ooh, I'm so happy. Ooh. So beautiful. Look at how big this plant is. Like look at that. Oh my god, it's like this. It has these thick leathery leaves. And so Nepenthes lowii times truncata was actually made, I think it was like 10 years ago that it was made by Exotica Plants. And let me sit down for this. So this cross was made by Exotica Plants quite a while back ago. I don't know exactly how long ago. I think it was 10 years. It might be longer. But anyways, they made the cross. It was incredible. They've made 3 crosses so far. They made Nepenthes lowii times truncata white peristome and Nepenthes lowii times truncata red. And this is the original. This is Nepenthes lowii times truncata giant. So this one makes giant mouse eating, rat eating pictures. This one's incredible. Oh, I am bright today on this camera. So this one is just crazy, beautiful, gorgeous. This plant is everything. And this plant likes to be grown as an intermediate. It's an intermediate grower. It doesn't like to be grown too hot or too cold. It likes it like in between. And this plant makes beautiful pictures. They become monster pictures like this big. They're like 20-30 inches tall. It's crazy. And they hold a lot of fluids and they're very woody. Like look. See that? They're very woody. They're gorgeous. They can digest mammals. And it's just perfect. Ooh, I just got a text message. I'm just so happy to have this. Thank you so much for for making this happen. Thank you so much to the seller. I'm not gonna say who it is because I want to keep the privacy going. You know, I want to keep things private. But thank you so much. You know who you are. Thank you so much for making this happen. If you're even watching this, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, I'm just so happy. And I'm gonna keep this plant for as long as I live. And hopefully it's gonna become a monster. And I can send you, the grower, a cutting for free right back to you, because I know you really like this plant, you really cared about this plant, and I know it means a lot to you, so I'm gonna send you a cutting whenever I can. Right now I wouldn't do it because it's like, it's gonna go into shock if I do it and maybe die, but in the future, I got you. Anyways, I'm very excited. I'm gonna go maybe repot this because I don't like how this pot's tipping over, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much, Nick, for the bibimbap sauce. You know that's my favorite. I'm gonna have it with rice noodles, and I'm gonna go take care of this mess I made. This has been a very good birthday because Nick came back from California and things are going good. I'm very happy and I'm very excited about this plant. Like, you guys have no idea how much I love this plant. It's so beautiful. I am so happy. I can't even. I'm so happy. I just can't. I'm so happy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I think I said that already. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to comment down below if you think the plant's beautiful. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.